I am making sourdough, and I'm also having myself some coffee that I've already spilled. It's actually cold. Cold but good. And I'm eating a cinnamon roll. Y'all, let me turn this down real quick. By far, hands down, best cinnamon roll I've ever made. I took it to my friends actually last night. They said it was 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And I'm not even gassing, like, it's so good. It's tangy, it's sweet. I almost feel like putting down the baby to eat because it's that good. Let me take a little. I can cut it with a fork. Not me cutting it with a fork. That means it's not dry. I made it yesterday. So let me tell you what it is. It's a sourdough cinnamon roll with cream cheese frosting, a little buttermilk in there, and it is so good. Mouth is watering. Okay, on. Oh, this girl got into my makeup. That black lipstick on. Don't ask me why I have black lipstick. That was good. That's so good. I decided, let me swig my cold coffee. I decided on Fridays I'll be making cinnamon rolls in sourdough bread, sourdough loaf bread, like the sandwich loaf, and I'll be selling it. So kids can't have tasty treats like this yet. I'm gonna do plain. I'm gonna do probably an everything seasoning, that or cumin seed seasoning, and then I'll be doing raisin cinnamon sandwich loaf. So if y'all are interested, just DM me and I'll see y'all later. I gotta start this sourdough.